sticky. Cut it. Today, should we try to take it on the freeway? Today,
Pulled over on the side of the freeway.
it's gonna be the day that I'm gonna throw it back to you. Today on How Not to Car, we're gonna see, we're gonna look, we're gonna try. We're gonna see if a bottle of Lucas transmission fix will fix the dead transmission in this and that thing. Because if you saw our last video, you know that it's dead. It's dead. You can watch that video there, it's somewhere. Click the link, you'll see it. Let's be real for a second. This car doesn't have a drain plug on the transmission, so we're gonna suck some fluid out and put some new fluid in, because that's all we can do. Suck it right out. We have a problem.
What?
So I pumped out 1 quart. I'm not getting anything. I say we just put the stop slip in it. Change of plans. We're not taking out any more fluid. We're not putting in any new fluid. We're just gonna put in the stop slip. All right, so we got the entire bottle of stop slip in the transmission, minus a little mess that we made. Let's go drive it. You'll never guess what I found.
What?
I got you a can of Full Throttle.
What the fuck?
It's unopened.
Dude, you'll never believe what I found in the engine bay.
What?
Look.
God damn it. Wait, are you gonna do it on the roof?
On the trunk.
On the trunk, what are you gonna put?
Rip it, dude.
Oh my God, I don't know about that.
All right, come on, dude.
Rip it?
Yeah.
On the back?
Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not, maybe not. All right, ready to drive this thing again. Or try to. We've got this phone set up in here now so that we can monitor the temp gauge, the RPMs, the speed, whatever, because literally nothing on the dash works. Hopefully the fuel gauge works. I don't even know. I forgot something. Out. Dollar Tree, bitch. High mileage fuel treatment. This treats 20 gallons. We've got maybe 2. So that should be good, right? Suck it all in, baby. This just came off. Will it go back on? Cool. All right. Whole entire bottle of stop slip. We're in reverse. This is going really well. Come on, reverse. Where you at? Come on, reverse. Uh-oh. Drive? First gear. Dude. I think we made it worse. Dude, we're going nowhere. Park. Reverse. Come on, baby.
You want to try pushing?
No, I don't want to push it. I want to drive it. Turn it off and turn it back on, right? Michael Jackson. Yeah, buddy. Maybe that's what we need. Stuff this in the dash. There's a nice crack right there. Michael Jackson. I'm in reverse, bro.
Five minutes later.
It's moving, it's moving. Get in, get in, get in. Get in. Oh my God, what was that?
What the fuck? What is happening right now?
I mean, it's driving. Where should we go?
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
Nowhere. It's like slipping so bad, dude. The blinker in the dash stopped working, but I can still hear it. There we go, look. It works now. All you have to do with this car is either hit it or turn it off and turn it back on. Jesus, dude, what is that? Wait, this is a dead end. So we just got 10 bucks worth of gas, 3.16 gallons. Does the fuel gauge work? It does. Dude, should we try to take it on the freeway?
Yeah.
We're going on the freeway, dude. We're going on the freeway. Look, this is real. We're going 48, 49. We're going 50. Yo! What are you doing? Come on. We got the 57. 60, yes! Let's get on 84 West.
No!
Yes!
No!
Wait, no! I want it east! Worked. What happens if I drop it in second right now? What do you think will happen?
No. Nothing happened.
We're at 4K. I put it back in drive and now it's not going anywhere. That's not good.
No.
Uh-oh.
What did you do?
I put it in drive.
Well, you're stupid.
Alright, I'll put it back in second. We'll just drive at 4K.
Sure, just do that.
Uh-oh. I think we're dude.
Why?
Because we're not moving. How do I turn the hazards
what?
on? We're literally not moving.
You fuss.
Bro.
Pulled over on the side of the freeway.
Dude, there's so many cars. What are we gonna do?
Die! There is nothing we can do. I have to live off of eating the dashboard.
I just gotta wait for like 400 cars to go by.
That tends to happen on the freeway.
Look at all these cars, dude.
Yeah,
It doesn't even look that bad, but we accelerate 0 to 60 and never. I'm not.
What are you gonna do? Holler for help?
Help! Let's see if we can go in reverse. Because we got these big ass things right there. We can't even go nowhere.
I mean, kinda. You can kinda go somewhere.
Not really. That's right there.
Run him over. Who the cares?
There's like 20 of them.
Then hit 20.
All right, we're gonna go right now. You ready?
No, we're not.
Oh, what was that, dude? Well, we're in drive now.
Yeah, we're not going. Yeah, we are, I guess.
We're going. We're going.
Barely.
No, we're not.
This dude's pissed.
We gotta put our hazards on. This thing is not going anywhere. We got these things in the way in front of us and behind us now.
Well, now I dare you. I dare you to go now.
We need more stops though.
We need more of a car. How did this happen?
I put the car in second gear and it never went back into drive. Oh my god, dude, the van, like straight up, that van right there straight up went all the way out of the lane and almost hit us. I think I see a time where we can go. Right now, if we go.
Well, hurry.
Yo! Shift. We're going.
Barely, barely, barely.
I'm just leaving it in second, bro. We're going. I'm gonna try to put it back in drive now that we're coming to we're on an on-ramp. See if it shifts. Nope. We're just stuck. We're just basically in neutral again. Well, we made it off the freeway though. Woo! That was something. That was a little bit more than something, bro.
We're gonna be able to move from this red light.
Dude, I hope so. Wow. AC does not work at all. At least I got my Mountain Dew.
This is great.
This sucks. Should we dare go back on the highway?
Really?
Well, how else are we gonna get home? Stop at 100 red lights? Shift into gear, oh my god, please. Okay, we're again.
Well, shout out.
I just need to get to the next exit.
Yeah, that doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Yeah, this is meh. This is sick.
We're just trying to get to the exit.
This is so sick.
The exit's right there. There. We're off.
Finally.
This guy's too. Dude, we might just have to drive home in reverse. Reverse works.
We're not driving home in reverse.
I know. Okay, we made it home. We made it back. We got stuck on the freeway 15, 25,000 times. Everything died. My phone overheated, the GoPro overheated, the other GoPro overheated. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get another bottle of stop slip or some other transmission additive and we're gonna dump that in there as well and just see what happens, because we're not gonna accept defeat. We're gonna get this thing driving, and it's gonna drive, and it's gonna drive okay. It's not gonna drive good, but it's gonna drive. Shut up. Hold on. We gotta see what's up with this AC. So let's see if there's pressure. Yeah, it's got some pressure. That's good. I happen to have a manifold gauge set, so really quick, we're gonna hook all that up. Yeah, so just as I thought, look at this. Look how low that is. There is pressure, but it's really, 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 really low. So, let's go get some refrigerant, put it in this thing. Okay, so change of plans. For the 30th time, I'm going to drain some transmission fluid from the cooler line and then put some new transmission fluid in. About 3 quarts, because that's all we got. And then if that doesn't work, I don't know. Unfortunately, this is taking out all the stops. Ah, yeah, that's hot. Wow, that is really hot. Come on. Wind is cool on like a nice breezy day when you're at the beach. Not when you're under car with 200-degree transmission fluid splashing towards your face. So the wind has unfortunately blown it into a state to where it's just running down the side of the pan and dripping on the ground. So I'm just gonna put this thick hose on there. We're gonna speed this process up. Ow! It's so hot, like unbelievably hot. Let's try this, dude. So I'm gonna give you the keys. I'll let you know when to shut it off. Go ahead and start it. Wow, it's actually working. Okay, and keep it going. Okay, kill it. Shut it off.
Oh, sick.
Dude, it filled up pretty quick.
Yeah.
And you're not supposed to run the transmission dry, but this transmission's already done for. We need a funnel. Let's go find a funnel. Got a funnel. All right, this is a pretty dirty funnel. Take it all in. 1 quart down, 2 quarts down, 3 quarts down. I think we fixed it. Let's drop her and drive her. Bro, we got power. This thing goes now. No way. It has shifted! Dude, it is still really bad, but we're driving. You wanna try to go to advanced AutoZone? Let's go.
For it. Let's rip it.
Dude, we're going. All right, advanced AutoZone. There we go. We're gonna get the fixed AC right now. Advanced AutoZone has the AC refrigerant in there for $12.99, but if I buy it on their website, it's only $7.99, and I can pick it up right here immediately. So you better believe I'm gonna do that. Boom, $7.99. Let's go. Let's do this real quick. Refrigerant. Got everything we need right here. I'm not gonna measure it. I'm just gonna dump it in, and it's gonna work, all right? Should be going in. How's that AC in there?
Oh, dude, it's nice.
Is it cold?
It's blasting, dude.
No way, dude. That's terrible. What do you mean? Let's just keep going, dude. And we'll check it. We'll check it with the gauges to make sure we didn't overfill it, you know? I'm not that stupid. I'm not trying to have this freaking AC blow up in my face. Knock on wood. There's no wood. We're good. How's it feel?
Feels good. Feels like I could actually sit in it for more than 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah, boy! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, man. This is luxury. Oh, it just got colder. This is nice. We can definitely do stupid things in this car now. Close this hood for the 500th time. Yo, do the lights work? Oh yeah, boy, we got headlights. So, will a quart of stop slip fix a dead transmission? I don't know. But 3 quarts of transmission fluid and a quart of stop slip will kind of make it drive. Whatever. Oh, I left the lights on. That's great. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Like the video and follow us on Instagram if you feel nice. See you later. Forgot to turn the lights off. The door handle fell off. Ah. That did not work at all. It's left like, look at that. This paint is such garbage quality.